see how to replace the air filter on a 2012 V6 EcoBoost f-150 trucks. So sorry, this one is broken on mine. Anyway, so basically what you have to do, there's a three tabs in here, plastic. Unhook that. So and there's a one underneath there. You can see it right there. And unhook that one. There you go, that released. And next step, you have to disconnect the sensor. Usually have a tab, but here. Mine is broke off. So basically press the tab and pull it out. And get it away from there. And you can use either flathead screwdriver, or I use like 8mm bolt. And unhook that. Just need to loosen up a little bit, not too much. Okay, that's done. And basically disconnect this hose like that, push it away, and then lift this piece up like that. Okay, so here's the air filter. So take it out. Should be super clean like this one. Mine is just oil, and you can vacuum it if you want it, and then put it back. I will just do a quick vacuum and put the new filter back on same way, and then put the cover back in there. So make sure you put these three tabs go in here. Don't push it too hard, it just slide it in, and then repeat the process, and then put those three hooks back again, and then connect this hose, and then tighten up this piece. Make sure it's completely seated, and then put your sensor back on. That's how we do it. Cheap, and you can find this product in a Canadian Tire or anywhere. You can find this filter, I think around $35 something. Okay, see you at the end of the video. Goodbye.